All right, first Italian honey right over there. Really looking forward to this. Main crop Italian honey, yummy. This is our Torino White. And here we got an Atreano and our LSU Hollier. So it's a honey fig day today. All right, so we're gonna taste these guys. I'm gonna start off with this Atreano, which is unusually a lot more pink than it is for me every year. Also not as big as it usually is. Oh. Oh my God. Why does that taste so much better than it ever does? Oh my God. That's really good. Atreano. Holy smokes. Let's go for the Hollier. Wow. Somehow Atreano kicked ass right now. It tastes really good. I'm going to try this Torino White here. Pretty good. Very sweet. Very sweet. Acidic. All right. I think we're coming up to my favorite for honey. Italian honey, even though it's not fully ripe. Man, that honey flavor. I love this variety. Amazing.